You're invited to celebrate the holiday season with us at Bloomers. We're proud to announce that the Bloomers Holiday Preview Party is back. Join us for an evening of festive holiday fun, including a ton of refreshments and festivities all over the store. We've got Higbee's Heroes, the Capella Quartet, returning to spread holiday cheer through song, bringing joy to both the young and the young at heart. This event is topped off with wine tasting for the 21 and up crowd, special offers, prizes, and more. Join us on Friday, November 18th at 5 p.m. for the Bloomers Home and Garden Center Christmas Preview Holiday Party. You don't want to miss the biggest event of the season at Bloomers Home and Garden Center, 344 Herfield Cross Keys Road, Washington Township, New Jersey. For directions or more information, check us out on the web at bloomers.com. And we look forward to celebrating the holiday season with you in the garden. Happy holidays!